Sorry if the wind's in here. I'm outside and the wind's got to pick up as soon as I start doing
There
the
it
video.
goes. See, I just had the release and it dropped, and now the rest of the oil's coming out of. Well, Handy Scott would want to hold this for me for 1 second.
Now you see why we got cardboard down to catch all this oil.
This is another part that you'll want to make sure you don't mess up putting back in, because
That don't come in the kit.
this does not come in a kit, and to go through Suzuki you'll probably pay an arm and a leg for it. Okay, next what I am going to do is drain the rest of the oil from this shock like so. Yeah, you don't have to get all of it, but as much as you can so you don't have as much of a mess, because sometimes these are very messy. Which I think that should be good right there.
And here, you want me to get the spring?
Okay, this spring, you take this,
That's
that's
pulling a ton of oil out. Watch your rag.
okay. There's your dampener spring. Coming out, there it goes. Release the rest of the oil.
That's the bucket.
Yes, I got the bucket. There's the dampener spring. That spring right there, you just basically give it a nice clean. That does not come with a kit. That is going to be reinstalled back into the bike very shortly. Next, this is that pinch clamp with the 3mm. Wiggle it just like this. Take
That's
it off.
another part that don't come in the kit.
Yeah, this doesn't come in the kit. This is actually so when you're the bottom out for your shock. So when you do come down, that's about your end play that's going to be. We're taking these and having these chromed, so we're taking them off the shock, and this piece is going to the chromer too. You know, just for an added look when we put the bike back together. Next, this piece of plastic ring. Just pop off with your finger.
That's another piece that don't come in the kit. This one right here.
Okay.
And there's a chrome dust shield cover that goes over there that rides over the top of this.
Okay. Right here now, we're going to be taking the dust boot off. All you need is a screwdriver. And with a little bit of persuasion, like so, you just go in there, wiggle real lightly, and this piece will come right off. 1, 2, 3, which you can see that this hasn't been off this bike ever. It's got this is actually the corrosion of the aluminum getting on this dust boot, which I'm surprised it wasn't leaking, but it wasn't. But there's this piece here.
Yeah, if you check your manual, these are supposed to be serviced and the oil changed. I don't know exactly.
It's like 50
many miles. Yeah,
50 to 60,000. This bike has 46 on it. I'm pretty sure 46, and it's due for a nice overhaul. That we
yeah,
can
50.
do.
I don't think it's that high. I think it's a lot lower than that to
I said,
change the oil.
oh yeah, well, to change the oil, it'd be good for 10,000. I mean, depending on the oil you use.
Yeah, just check your manual. You'll find out for your bike.
Okay, on the inside of this shock tube here, you're going to notice you walk around, like I said, if you're looking in there, there's going to be a clip on the inside here. You should take a regular flathead screwdriver, and this should come out very easily as soon as I find the closed end. There it is, right there. And you'll just insert your screwdriver like so, and well, of course, we'll go to this side. Go in there like this. And pop the spring, the clip. Take your finger, work it out like this. The clip looks just like this.
That comes in the kit.
That comes
That's a
in the
new
kit.
part.
This will come with the kit. So, all you have to do is make sure that you just very even pressure pry. It'll pop right out. If ever, all of you ever use a slide hammer, it's the same. It's going to be the general purpose of how you'll get this apart. You'll slide this in like this, of course, and have a mess back there on the side. So just make sure you have paper towels. You'll want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will actually take out the rest of this unit here. Here is the actual seal. to the shock, which
Again,
is
with all the oil pouring out, that's the reason why we got cardboard down to soak that up.
there's the seal, and this has already got corrosion on it. This is probably the factory seal. I mean, it does kind of look good, but we're going to change it anyway because of the age of the bike and don't know how hard it has been ridden. Right here you have this spacer, which this does come with the kit too to put into the bike.
That's a bushing.
That's a bushing.
Yeah.
That'll go in there. This washer right here is a spacer. This does not come with the kit, so you have to keep this, clean this to reinstall with the bike.
Yeah,
Then I'm going to push this all the way through. There's a dampening rod. Comes out. Just like oil coming out of that shock.
Gotta get the can.
There it is right there. Okay. Now pull this out. There's your dampening rod right there. Set it right there for right now. There's one other piece in here. And I think it just came out. There it is. There's this spring.
That's not in the kit either.
That's
You
not
have
in
to
the kit.
save that.
And hold on.
John's just being a little messy today.
Well, there's a problem here because there's a piece. There it goes. The other one came out. That should be it. Well, there we go. I'm just making sure everything was out. This is it right here. And yes, it's going to be a messy job. So if you can come up with a better plan of how to do this, it'd probably be great, because usually, like I said, they have a tool that also sucks out the fluid and everything out of
it's
this.
an extraction too.
Yeah, they have that, but unfortunately we don't have that tool with us today. But hope you can catch us on the next one when we go to put these back together. I'll show you how easy it is, because it's going to be like I said, it'll be about at least a couple of weeks, you'd say. What do you think?
Well, I gotta wait for the stuff to get back from chroming.
Yeah, chroming. So after we get it all back from chroming,
It'll be a little bit.
yeah, be a little bit. So part 2 to this video, putting them back together, will come soon as we get everything back. I hope this has got enough information to help you with it. If not, you can always message Scott. He can give you some tips and tricks that we also do here that you might not have seen on here to get stuff apart that can be a real pain in the rump.
And we got plenty more videos coming of assembling the bike. Everything's been powder coated already. The bike's being painted candy green. So there's going to be plenty more videos coming until the bike's fully assembled.
Alrighty, well, like I said, we'll catch you later.